Mastering the art of persuasion. The meaning of buttering someone up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, buttering someone up. Have you ever wondered what it means to butter someone up and why we use this expression in English? Stay tuned as we uncover the origins, meanings, and uses of this phrase to help you understand and use it like a native speaker. Buttering someone up is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. Imagine spreading butter on a slice of bread. Now, take that imagery and apply it to a conversational context. When you're buttering someone up, you're offering them flattery, compliments, or praise with a specific aim in mind, to persuade them or gain their favor. It's like preparing the bread to make it more appealing, but in this case, you're preparing the person to receive your request or suggestion more positively. The phrase, buttering someone up, has quite an interesting history. It's believed to have originated from an ancient Indian custom where people threw balls of clarified butter at statues of the gods to seek favor and forgiveness. This practice of trying to please the gods has transformed into the metaphorical language we use today, where instead of gods, we try to win over people with our words. Using the phrase, buttering someone up, is all about context. It's often used in a slightly humorous or ironic sense. For example, if you're trying to get a friend to lend you their car, you might start by complimenting them on how well they maintain it or how good they are at choosing the best vehicles. However, it's important to use this phrase carefully, as people might not always appreciate the implication that your flattery has a hidden agenda. To help you understand how to use buttering someone up in conversation, here are a few examples. Before asking for a day off, I decided to butter my boss up by praising his new business strategy. She's been buttering her parents up all week, hoping they'll let her go to the concert. I know you're just buttering me up because you want something. What is it this time? And there you have it. The next time you hear someone talking about buttering someone up, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. Remember, while a little flattery can go a long way, sincerity is always key to genuine communication. We hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.